Okay, coaches, we're ready to start assigning scripts. We call it assigning scripts because whatever folder you have selected or game, we're going to create a 7-on-7 inside run practice script. It's going to be assigned to that script. So if you look in this situation here, and I was going to assign my script, it would be to the demo school. If I clicked on here, it would be assigning to this folder as well. If I was a coach in this situation and my name was on here, I would assign a script to my personal folder. Most importantly, what we'll do most of the time is that when we're on an install, we're on a game week and we go to practice, we're going to assign scripts to that Monday practice. So let's get after it. Here are our data points that are inside here. And as we look at our data points, this is how we're going to filter. If you take a look right now, we have 869 items in our global playbook. We're going to need to get that down. So let's start off with a Monday practice and let's do an inside run segment. So we'll type in inside run. Remember that it is tied to this game on 8/17. Inside run is sufficient for naming process right now. I'm going to go ahead and take a look, and I love duo and outside zones. So let's see if we can cut that down just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and click on filter. I know that for situations when I was looking at some of my favorite plays, I went ahead and I tagged the game that I was looking for. So I'm going to click on this main S was the team that we're playing this week. So we'll filter. We now have 869 plays. We have now cut it down to 29. I can filter. I like to go left to right. So let's add one more filter to this. And let's just grab our left hash plays for right now and click on filter. And I've got it down to 14. All right. And we can continue to filter and get it even closer. Right now, today we're going to do on a Monday. Let's just do it out of our 2x2 set. So we're going to click on dip, filter again, and I'm going to grab that one dip play. And I'm going to grab a couple more. I'm going to refilter so that I get the rest of them. And looks like we have a couple out of the T formation. So let's grab the tabby. Let's grab troll and we'll grab a couple more of these as well. Let's go to the right hash. Okay, every time that we change our filter, we need to go back to the top and click filter again. We're now on the right hash. I'm going to grab a couple of those opposites and put those in. We're going to save this as inside run. Let's go ahead and click save. It will go into our saved folder. We're ready for a new practice script that we're going to bring. Don't worry about the order. Don't worry about anything else. Let's just get the plays that we're looking to practice in. Let's go 7v7. And this is going to be saved to that same folder. Click on there. Let's clear all of our folders. Clear everything. Let's go back to our main south ideas because these were tagged when we were creating the plays or they were tagged in manage plays. And we're going to practice on Monday. Let's just grab our 3-step stuff. And because this is a multi-select, and we're going to grab boot. Click filter as well. We've got about 42 plays here that we like for that week. Maybe that includes left to right. Let's go ahead and select for the left hash first and click on filter. And let's start grabbing the plays that we're looking for. Okay. I'm going to actually just look for the tabby formation. So we'll add one more filter to this, TABY. And this is the power coach tactics, just tagging things over and over. I'm going to grab all of the plays here. Grab them. I also want the ones on the right hash. So now I'm going to clear that. Click for right hash. Click filter again. There is the same amount of plays. Grab all of those. And we'll reorganize in the next set and the next video. Click on update. That saves it. If I'd like to do a team segment, I could do that as well. And it would be the same process, grabbing your 18 to 20 plays that you run in team by using your filters and going through it. If you have filters, if you have past practice scripts that you'd like to use from the summer or something along those lines, you can grab any of those. So let's just say I had something in July, an RPO script, and I click on upload. You'll see that my plays have come through here that I used in the past. I can go back and modify that script. And so we do keep track of anything that you've had used in the past. And so by just loading those filters, they will come into here.